Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to enable the dark mode in your YouTube channel. The default mode usually when you are on your channel, it's usually the light mode. For example, right now I am on my channel, which is Epic Mentorship, and you can see it's the light mode. You can see all my videos all are in the light mode. So I find the dark mode quite interesting also, and I want to share with you how to just simply enable it with just a simple click. So to enable the dark mode, all you need to do is to come to your channel icon over here. Okay, so you can come all the way here and click on this, and then you can come to the appearance over here. Okay, so you can come to appearance and click on appearance, and you can see three different options. You can use device theme, and you can enable the dark mode just by one click. Okay, so the default setting is on the light theme, but then we can use enable the dark theme just by coming here and clicking on the dark theme, and everything is going to go back to the dark theme. And you can see how fantastic and beautiful this is looking like. Your videos are going to be looking quite interesting, and you can check on other features as well, and you can enjoy it. For example, you can come to your YouTube studio, browsing becomes really easy and interesting. So you can check your studio, you can check your content, and you can see everything in the dark mode. This is quite interesting. So this is just basically how to enable the dark mode on your YouTube channel. So it looks kind of fantastic and simple like this. And to go back to the normal light mode, you still come back to the same place. You click on this, you can come to appearance, and you click on it, and you come to light mode, and you are back on the light mode. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit on how to change the YouTube appearance, your YouTube channel appearance, from the light mode to the dark mode. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.